Hi, how are you? Can you hear me?
Oh, can you hear?
Okay, good. I can hear you too. Thank you.
How are you?
Excellent. I'm great, thanks. My name's Ali, and I'm from Scotland, but I'm living in the Philippines.
Ah,
So,
you're
so
from
probably
Scotland. Could you repeat your
that's
name?
right. Ali. Okay, I'll write it for you.
Oh, sorry, just a moment because I have to write your name. Because,
Oh,
so,
no problem, sir.
yeah,
No problem.
yeah. My name is Tùng.
Tùng.
Yeah,
Okay, thanks, Tùng.
I come from Vietnam.
Okay, good. Oh, my last student was from Vietnam
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
Good. Excellent. I see you're wearing a uniform.
yeah. I'm a soldier.
What?
Soldier. Yeah,
You're an officer by the looks of things.
yeah.
Are you now I see 2 stars. Does that mean you're a captain?
2 stars. Yeah.
No, yeah. So I'm not sure about Korean rank. Vietnamese military markings.
Yeah.
So you are an officer. So you are what officer are you?
You mean my job?
What? Yeah, yeah. What? No. What rank? What rank are you? Rank would be like. Are you start off as second lieutenant, captain, major, lieutenant colonel, brigadier, major general, lieutenant general, full general.
Sorry, I don't know how to say that in English, but
Okay.
yeah, I am I am a officer right now. I'm working in the Vietnamese People Army. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Before I graduated university in the army. Yeah.
Very good. So you went through the university with the army sponsoring you. Very good. Okay. What did you study at university?
I studied military technology academy.
Excellent. Very good.
Yeah.
So where are you based? Where are you now? Are you in like Ho Chi Minh City?
No, right now I work in Quy Nhơn City.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you ever
Good.
been to Vietnam?
Not yet, but I live in the Philippines. It's not far away. My good friend lives in Vietnam. I would like to visit it. Yes.
So,
My friend
what
lives
do
in
you
Ho Chi
do
Minh.
in Philippines?
Oh, I'm a teacher.
You're a
I'm
teacher.
English teacher. Yeah, among other things. But my main job every day is teaching. I have other interests. So I work for another company as well, but we're quiet at the moment. So mostly I just teach English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great job.
Yeah, well, it's a very nice job because I get to meet people from other countries and other cultures and speak to them and help them. Hopefully,
Yeah.
It's good. So, what is your job? Other than I know you're in the army. What is your speciality?
What is my job?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, it's very difficult for me to tell you to understand, but I try to tell you very simple.
Please.
Yeah.
Good. That's great.
Yeah. My unit is called Vietnamese Mind Action Center. So my mission is disable mind and bomb after.
Okay, right. I understand. Yes. So you were yes, very dangerous job.
Yeah, I think
so. You diffuse mines and bombs. Yes. So you might say mine disposal. I think we call that sometimes in the British Army. So you find old mines and old bombs and defuse old munitions, you might say, as well. Okay, so maybe sometimes things that are left over from 50 years ago, 40 years ago?
You mean, sorry, could you repeat your question?
Yeah, okay. Do you find old unexploded munitions, bombs, mines, shells, and then
That's right.
but old from the Vietnam War.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes. Wow. So you're clearing old.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Very good.
Clear landmine.
Yes.
Yeah. Or my file.
Minefield. Yes. Minefields.
Yeah.
Yes. I understand. And so there is so much what we call unexploded.
Exploded. Yeah.
Yeah. Unexploded. Ordnance. Yeah. Left in Vietnam. Oh, right. Sorry. Unexploded. Unexplored, unexploited, unexplained. No, that's not right. Unexploded. I just unexploded ordnance, we sometimes say. So things that have been lying in the ground for 40 or 50 years. So like 40 to 50 years.
Yeah.
Yes. No, I understand. I know the problem that you have in Vietnam and Laos and Cambodia and things like that. Yes.
Sorry, right now, some words about my and bomb or something like that for me too difficult because right now my English not so good.
I know it's I understand you, so that's very nice. Yeah. How long have you been speaking English, Tom?
I think it's about 1 to 2 years because before I just learned English alone by YouTube or internet.
Yes.
Because my learning English condition not good. Right now I live in forest. There no foreigner or some people who they speak English or another language.
Okay, now I'll tell you now though, many Vietnamese people, they don't speak clearly. They leave the end from the word. But your English is very clear. Your pronunciation is good. Very, very clear.
My pronunciation, I self-study a lot. I usually watch a lot of video on YouTube made by American or England people.
Mm-hmm.
So I try to copy how they pronounce support words. Yeah.
Good. That is very good. That is a very good way of learning pronunciation. Now I'm going to send you a link. Are you on a phone or a computer?
Yeah, I have a computer.
Okay, good. You'd probably get this better then. Can you see that link?
Yeah, I see.
Right. Now that is a very good series of lessons. It's good for listening and reading, but also pronunciation and new vocabulary. Yeah. But it's very good because you have 7 levels of lesson and 5 speeds of listening. Yeah. And it also has a British accent and an American accent. Yeah. So it's quite good. And exercises. So it's very good for self-study.
Yeah.
Okay, so you might find it useful. I give it to everybody. It's free and it's updated every 2 days. Yeah. So there's new lessons. In fact, let me see if I can. Oh dear, I'm going to hang. Today's date is the 15th. Yesterday there was a new lesson yesterday. So every 2 days there's a new lesson. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it's worth looking at. It may be helpful to you.
Yeah, thank you.
But you're very welcome. I'm happy to help you, Tom. Yeah. But the Cambly is good for like speaking, conversation, and of course we must correct mistakes as well. So if you say something wrong, don't be offended. I will tell you the correct way. Okay. Good.
So I have questions for you.
Please.
Could you give me some advice to learn grammar or new words? Because they are very difficult for me. When I learned new words, I usually forget it.
Oh. Yeah. Now, well, my only solution to that, because I'm old, so I forget things. I forget what I had for breakfast. But so my only suggestion is to only learn a few new words every day. Don't try to learn 10 or 20 new words. Maybe just learn 5 new words every day.
Yeah.
You know,
5 new words
small
every
number.
day.
So, yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough. You don't have to, because if you learn more, you will forget them, or you won't need them. They're not important, so you just forget them. But write sentences with the new words, okay?
Yeah.
Put the new word into a sentence. Make sure you know what kind of word it is. Like do you know things like noun, verb, adjective, things like this? Do you know these type of words?
Type.
Noun.
Noun.
Yes. Yeah, let me just translate it into Vietnamese, okay?
Noun, verb, adjective.
You know these words, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So remember that to note what kind of word it is. So if I say, what have we got here? Oh, phone. Is a noun, okay? It's a thing, so it's a noun. But if I say speak, that's a verb, okay? And if I say smooth,
Yes.
shiny, these are adjectives.
Oh.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so make a note of what kind of words they are. Now, is it easy for you to buy things online?
Yeah.
Okay, here's a very good.
Yeah.
Can I just show you a book? I need to get out. My seat is out of reach. Excuse me a second.
Yeah.
A book, very good. This book. Sorry about the shininess of it.
Yeah. I see.
The shine.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is a very
use.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I think this is a very, very good book for beginners, but it's also good for reference for anybody. It's an American book. I'm British, but it's okay because the grammar is the same. British grammar and American grammar is exactly the same. It's just the way that people speak.
Yeah.
Americans and British people speak differently, so sometimes their grammar is a little different in speaking.
Yeah.
So if I give you, I don't know if you want to take a screenshot. I'll write it down. Okay. It's very, very popular online. You know, this is the guy. I'll write it.
Yeah.
So if you look on Amazon or something, I don't think it's too expensive, but it's really, really good. Basic Grammar in Use, and it's by a guy called Raymond Murphy. Raymond Murphy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
you will see it if you look it up online. You will find it.
Yeah.
It's really, really popular, and it's how it works. We haven't got much time, but I'll just open any page. Oh.
Yeah. So
that's my regular.
so I can buy this book online.
Yeah, very easy. It's very, very popular.
Yeah.
But what it is one side. Sorry, the fan is blowing everything. So one side would be the grammar.
Yeah.
The other side of the page is the exercises.
Yeah.
So one side, the lesson, and the other side. Sorry, I have a fan blowing on me.
Yeah. Okay.
So yes, it's very, very useful for self-study.
Yeah.
Okay, and it explains grammar very clearly.
Yeah.
So I would say if you have time for self-study, that's good. The breaking news English is good, and really for practicing, I think Cambly is probably the best. You know, it's talking to foreigners.
Yeah. You know, this is their 33rd time, 3 times I practice my English on Cambly with their foreigners. Yeah. So today I met you. I feel very enjoy when I practice my English with you. So I hope that I can see you next day. Yeah.
Please, call me anytime. I'm available. I'll send you my schedule, okay?
Yeah.
But that's great. Thank you so much. It's really nice to meet you, and I think you will be very good. Okay?
Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you so much. You too. Bye-bye.